Okay, let's look at the difference between this H67 and this is a Nebraska. You can see the H67 has a little bend. This one is straight up and down. So you're gonna angle it a little bit different. Nebraska, I'm gonna have you turn just a little this way. The terminal shank is parallel, you're gonna lean a little bit to get that proper cutting edge. But the H67 will kind of already lean for you, so you're going to be up on your fulcrum a little bit more. If I leaned as much as I did with that other instrument, I'm going to have the face on the tooth. So both are great options. Nebraska is kind of nice if it's super tiny because the cutting edge is really short and thin, but both work great on these anteriors.